Hey guys, just take a look. What do we have here? A lot of gadgets that'll improve your dwelling and break daily routine with some fun. Some of them are so amazing you won't believe they exist. Watch till the end. Today's set is hot. Those who watch the video to the end can take part in our giveaway and win Nanoleaf smart light panels. Cool LED cubes have become extremely popular recently. Well, it's quite obvious why. They look pretty unusual and are a perfect complement to any room. Want to have the same one? Make it. Literally. This is an electronic DIY kit for 3D LED cube light, and you're going to construct it. A 3D matrix is made up of 4,096 red, green, and blue square LED lamps, which can display a lot of colorful, dynamic lighting shapes. The main board of the cube has been well soldered and tested and is powered by a 5-volt power adapter. All you need to do is solder 256 LED lamps themselves. It's not that difficult, no panic. More than 20 kinds of brilliant animation effects have been built into this device. 3 keys on the panel will help you switch animation modes: start, pause, next animation, loop, playback of single animation, loop, playback of all animations, respectively. It also has a pen header for downloading programs. Plug this thing into the USB power supply and modify the displayed animation with the help of the 3D software. Enjoy! This special magnetic levitation floating globe that people of all ages will enjoy. Let something hover, levitate, float, and give the illusion of anti-gravity. It's extremely nice to look at, and most of all to have as decor, an ornament that goes well with any style of home and office furnishings. It's a piece of art that makes your space inspiring by creating a unique visual effect. It works with an electromagnet and computerized sensor hidden in its display stand, causing it to levitate motionlessly in the air. It also features an LED night light that makes it look very cool when turned on in the dark. You can pass your hand around it without disturbing its magnetic field. It's simple to install. Once you get the gadget levitating, just give it a little spin, and you'll watch it rotate for an extended period of time. No need to thank us. Say goodbye to that messy nightstand. Let's introduce you to a premium quality Valet tray that'll keep all your belongings in one place. Made of quality material, it'll last forever. 6 different compartments are spacious enough to place everything you want: your watches, keys, rings, money, glasses, etc. The smartphone compartment contains charging notches on both sides so you'll power up your gadget easily. Last but not least, this thing will help keep all important items in a discreet chamber. It has a lid which covers your important items and keeps them out of sight. Hush the rush and buy this item for a peaceful morning. An amazing accessory, the best gift for those who have a sense of humor. What's that? A blanket? Okay, let's be more specific. A tortilla blanket. Double-sided printing is so realistic it'll make your mouth water and your pet sniff it over and over. The 60-inch in diameter blanket is so soft and warm you'll want to stay wrapped in it forever. The secret? Microfiber fleece. It gets even softer the more you wash it. A perfect addition to any living room couch. So lightweight, so warm, so cozy. Will you find anything funnier than curling yourself up in a burrito blanket? Activate and enhance your drinking water with a flowing whirlpool. Sure, it's mesmerizing. An important thing to remember is that it turns and keeps your water fresh and healthy in its natural flowing state. Controlled by solid-state load cells, the motionless motor starts the swirling motion automatically, calibrating the volume and speed according to the amount of water in the vessel for a constant, perfect vortex. The vortex will keep swirling for up to 2 hours unplugged. Just touch the device to get your water swirling. When liquid's moving around, the oxygenation triggers subtle chemical chain reactions that cleanse it of compounds that really shouldn't be there in the first place. Add some aesthetic points to your healthy habits. Jump into the day like a bullet from a gun, or earn a precious 5 extra minutes of sleep by proving your accuracy. With this toy gun and Target recordable alarm clock, you get to pick how your morning starts. Simple and fun, this device is a great gift for literally anyone. Set the 12-hour digital clock to your desired time of awakening, record your favorite song or a personalized alarm, and you'll be ready for the big game in the morning. When the alarm sounds, aim and fire at the target to earn 5 more minutes of sleep. There are 2 levels of difficulty: normal, 1 bullseye shot, and hard, 5 bullseyes. Practice your shooting during the day with one of 2 game modes. reaction tester, and accuracy tester. P.S. Good shooting is not a compelling reason to tell your boss why you're late. Mix retro and high-tech. The IP video phone runs Android operating system and offers instant access to thousands of Android apps, including Skype and Google Hangouts. This video phone can integrate with Grand Stream security cameras and facility access systems, allowing security staff to monitor the space. Definitely the best blend of the latest technology and dear-to-heart retro. This thing can be an outstanding accessory to your room. A levitating flower pot? What? Yes, it can hover in the air. But how? Well, the magnetic field is a secret. The device emits negatively charged ions, creating a magnetic field. All you need is to plant a flower. Be careful, max weight is about 0.66 pounds. Connect the power, put the base on a flat surface, and keep calm, since it'll take some time to practice and put the flower pot onto the base. High-quality wood grain finish will fit any space perfectly, making this thing an amazing decoration and a great present for your friends or family. One of the essential things in each and every interior is the light. We found the perfect bulbs to make the space you're living, working, or relaxing in look cozier. Bulbs can be used as bulb, candle, or giant globe shape. Warm white light with no flickering casts a tingle of retro vibes and creates a unique place for socializing. The bulbs don't contain lead, mercury, or other pollution elements and can save up to 90% of energy. You don't need any additional tools to install it, which makes the product very simple in usage. Savor the atmosphere you're living in. Need a dozen alarms to wake up in the morning? Us too. Or perhaps you need to wake up at a different time on different days. Whatever your schedule is, Wakey Bluetooth speakers let you set up 15 different unique alarms and choose from 10 custom tones, including FM radio, to deliver a wake-up call that won't ruin your morning. Dual 5-watt drivers deliver bedroom-filling sound with rich bass and enhanced clarity. Whether you're chilling out before falling asleep, in need of motivation for Monday morning, or setting the mood, Wakey ensures your tunes, or even a white noise, always sound their best. As you unwind for the night, simply place your Qi-compatible device down on top of Wakey or use USB cable to recharge. The built-in wireless charging pad is powered by Anchor technology and delivers a fast 10 watts of charge for Samsung phones and 7.5 watts of charge for iPhones. Rise and shine! Want to win cool Nanoleaf smart light panels? Join our giveaway. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment so Randomizer could choose you as the winner. If this video collects 3,000 likes before the next video, we'll announce the winner. All the info is in the description below. Good luck, everyone!